Today we're going to be talking about geodes. Geodes are well-rounded shapes with hollow parts in the middle. These hollow parts then are filled with crystals. Geodes are formed through multiple ways. However, one common way is through volcanic activity. Through volcanoes, magma gets spit out into the open air. As the magma starts to cool down through the air, it slowly turns into a rock. Then gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide start to get trapped inside the rock, creating a hollow part in the middle, however the shell outside keeps on getting hardened. Slowly, through the pressure of gases, air pockets start to open up and create. Through the air pockets, water then comes in through. Along with the water, minerals come inside the hollow part of the rock, while the minerals keep on depositing. And as minerals deposit, layers and layers start to form. Then a crystal is created inside the hollow part of the rock, which is then a geode. The inner part of the rock called the cavity. There's also another way geodes can be formed. One is that when rocks keep on getting deposited and deposited from place to place, eventually what happens is a seed can probably grow in that area, and then the roots start to grow. When the root grows to the point where the rock is, the root can crash into the rock, creating a small hole of what is the hollow part of the rock. Then when the tree dies, the hollow part is still there. Soon things like groundwater start to mix in with the rock, creating small air pockets and letting water come through. With these, minerals again start to overlap and form, then creating crystals, and then what we know as geodes. So I have two rocks right in front of me, and these two are geodes actually. We're going to be using this hammer, and we're going to start breaking the rocks to see the crystal part inside. We will take these two rocks outside so it doesn't get messy inside here. So we're outside, as you can see, and we're going to be using this hammer to break open the geode. So we have to hit it lightly or else the entire thing will smash, and we can't do it with the flat side, we have to do it with this pointy side over here.
3, 2, 1.
Small parts are starting to break. I could probably see a crystal over here for seeing.
I accidentally dropped it and this is what happened.
Dude, how did this kid actually do it?
Okay, can I try and yours?
Bro.
Okay.
No. Don't actually, bro. So he accidentally cracked it. You see the outer part over here? This is the shell, while the inner part, it's all hollow, containing lots of crystals.
I also have one of this.
Here, the crystals have been formed through one of our explanations.
An adult's help and got this broken, and you can see these two are different. Look at this type of crystal and look at this type of crystal.
Yeah, so this pink one's much more darker, while this is much more lighter. And this is the main part of it. The crystals are not that visible because the way it cracked out. However, this part is more visible. This is Iran's and this is Iran's and this is mine. So geodes actually take millions of years to form, and these are the crystals inside. This can be any shape or color. This is all about geodes.